Hi everyone, so in this video I am going to explain a very important concept, variables and data types. First of all, we already discussed in the previous videos what is the use of variable. Variable is always to store information. Here, how can we store different types of information? We are representing using data type. Suppose I just want to store account holder information. We are developing one banking related application. Here it is account holders information I want to store. Okay. Here account number, account holder name, balance in account. So what is the age of the person, gender, mail ID, address, PIN number, mobile number, IFSC code, married or not, suppose vaccinated or not. Like this, we can store different types of data whenever we are going to write a program. Now, how can we specify? Depends on the value. We need to give the data type also. See, generally if you think, whenever you are storing that account number, two types. One is integer, can able to store a small integer values like suppose age of the person, like how many days in a week. Here it is like a one PIN number, a small negative values. These kind of values you can store using integer data type. Suppose if you want to store a long values, like account number I want to store, mobile number I want to store, some long values I want to store, then you can go with the data type is a long integer. Long integer is there. Next, the third one is if you want to store any decimal value like 3.142 pi value, a person height, a person weight, these type of decimal values if you want to store, you can go with the float or double value. A float or double value. The next one, if you want to store any single character, sir, I want to store dollar, put it in single quotes. I want to store at the rate. I want to store capital A. I want to store male representation capital M. Anything but single value only, single character only. If you want to store that, you must put it in single quotes and you are representing with the data type is a char. Next one, a collection of characters. Sir, 2 characters I want to store. Then you should put it in double quotes. Sir, name I want to store. Collection of characters, put it in double quotes. Password I want to store. Characters, symbols, digits, everything are there. Next one, address I want to store. For example, address like Amirpet, Hyderabad, comma, Hyderabad, like 5 lakhs 35, something like this. Everything you need to put it in double quotes. Here you can represent by using either character array or character pointer. Anything we can use to represent the string. Next one is a true or false, boolean value. Normally in C language, boolean value, it's not a true, it's 1. It's a false, it is a 0. If you want to store the values like true or false, in the background 1 and 0 only will store. So we can go with integer type only. Remember that one. Mostly by using these types only, you can represent any type of data in a program. Number, it's a long value. So we are declaring the variable called long. Data type. Name, it's a character array or character pointer. Next one, balance, it's a float because decimals are there. age, a small integer value, so int. Gender, like male or female, only single character, just you are representing with a char. Mail id, suppose a collection of characters, we can represent with a character array or character pointer. Array representation means what? Like this, char array, like this you need to represent. Pin number, like 1 2 3 4 is integer. Mobile, it's a long number, so long type. IFSC code is like a bank name and with some digits are there, so it's a string character pointer. Married, if you write a true or false, 1 or 0 is integer. No, I just want to define yes or no means what? It's a string, it's your wish. Vaccinated, same, yes or no means what? It's a string you are representing. So whenever you are writing the variables, right, left side you need to write the data type, right side you need to write the value. Here it is some value we are writing. This is data type. In the declaration of variable, data type is compulsory, and this one is a name, identity, and this one is a value. This is simply syntax while writing the variable. Syntax while writing the variable. And whenever we are printing, the format specifiers also we need to consider. In C language, whenever you are displaying the information, format specifiers required. How can we represent the format specifiers? That we'll see along with the coding part in the next video. Hope you understood. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.